Building muscle as a beginner should be simple, but the fitness industry makes it confusing. One person tells you to bulk hard, another says stay lean. Some say you need the perfect split, others say train every day. Then come the supplements, the hacks, the secret methods. And after a while, most beginners feel lost before they even start. So in this video, we're simplifying everything. No nonsense, no fake shortcuts, no unrealistic advice, just the fundamentals that actually build muscle. Let's start with the most important thing, training. As a beginner, you do not need a complicated workout. You don't need advanced techniques, fancy exercises, or 2-hour workout. What you need is consistency and progression. That's it. Your goal should be simple. Get stronger over time on the basic. Exercises like squats, presses, rows, pull-ups, deadlift. These movements train multiple muscles at once, which means more overall growth and better results as a beginner. Now, here's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. Changing workouts constantly. One week they do push-pull legs, the next week full body, then they try something from social media. But muscle is built through repeated progression, not random. Pick a solid program, stick to it, and improve over time. Now let's talk about intensity. A lot of beginners train too easy. They finish sets comfortably, never challenge themselves. But your body only grows when it has a reason to adapt. That means training hard enough. You don't need to destroy yourself every workout, but you should finish most sets knowing you pushed yourself. Now let's talk about reps. This confuses a lot of people. Some think low reps only build strength. High reps only build muscle. Reality is simpler. Most rep ranges work for muscle growth if you train close enough to failure. So don't obsess over perfect rep numbers. Focus more on good form, progression, and effort. Now let's talk about nutrition, because this is where many beginners struggle. You do not need a perfect diet, but you do need enough protein and enough calories to recover and grow. Protein is essential because muscle is built from it. A good target for most people is around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Now, calories. If you want to build muscle efficiently, you usually need a small calorie surplus, not a massive bulk, because beginners often make this mistake. They think more food equals more muscle, so they gain excessive fat. Instead, aim for controlled weight gain, slow progress, consistent progress. Now let's talk about recovery, because muscle doesn't grow during workouts. It grows when you recover. That means sleeping enough, eating properly, and managing fatigue. If your recovery is poor, your progress will be too. Now let's talk about supplements, because beginners often focus on these too early. Supplements are not the foundation. Training and nutrition are, but if your basics are solid, some supplements can help. Creatine is one of the best examples. Simple, effective, well studied. But remember, supplements support progress. They don't create it. Now here's something most beginners need to hear. Building muscle takes time, not weeks, months, and years. And social media has completely distorted expectations. People expect dramatic transformations instantly. That's not reality. Real progress is slower, but it's also more sustainable. And if you stay consistent, the results compound over time. Now let's simplify everything. If you're a beginner and want to build muscle, train consistently. Focus on basic exercise, progress over time. Eat enough protein, recover properly, and stay patient. That's what actually works. Not hacks, not shortcuts, not fake fitness advice, just consistent effort applied over time. And honestly, that's what makes this so powerful, because most people never stay consistent long enough to see what's possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tell me in the comments how long you've been training. And I'll see you in the next one.